Okay, so this is one of the bathrooms that we're working on in the house. This used to be a tub. Now we're gonna convert that into a shower. Plumber just finished with all the concrete. You can see this is what he had to drench in order for him to move the drain. So usually on the tubs, especially on this kind of tubs, the drain is on one of the edges, whether it be a left side tub or a right side tub, it doesn't matter. They're always on the side. So what we have to do, we have to bring it to the middle, and you can still do a shower with the drain where the tub was, but we don't recommend it. It doesn't look good. So we moved it to the middle. Plumber is done with all the rough plumbing. He already put the valve in, and with this PEX new technology for plumbing stuff. This is something that I want to show you guys why it's not a good idea to have hardwood on whether it be a powder. Some people say, oh, it's only the powder, it's only for the toilet. It doesn't really matter. In the wet areas, you shouldn't have. The kitchen is kind of acceptable because, it's not real wet. But in the bathroom, there's a constant running of water. And look, this is what happens. This can create mildew. This can create all sorts of problems. So we're gonna get rid of that. Get rid of the plywood and put all tile in here throughout this hall bathroom. So gonna replace all the toilets, replace all the replace the valves. This is kind of like, it looks a little bit rustic, I'll say, but we're still in the process of cleaning out, demolition, and our main thing right now is to have all this inspected by the city so we can get going the green light, so we can start cleaning up all this, patching it, and making it look like $1 million for the homeowner.